Alright then, SpongeBob, let's get started. Whoopee! I'm going to put each stack of 10 on this plate. And when I do, I want you to show us the number that would be. Oh, I'm gonna need a 0. And then I have to wait, and then I'll know what else I need. Good, SpongeBob. I'll start getting my groups of 10. Here is one group of 10.
Okay, so we have a 0, and then one group of 10. That makes 10. Oh, but it's so hard to see. Here, let me add a little sponge to the bottom. Ta-da! Ready for more groups of 10, Mr. T'Challa.
Very clever, SpongeBob. Okay. Here are 2 groups of 10.
So I keep the 0, and now it's 20.
Here are 3 groups of 10.
So that would be 30.
4 groups of 10.
40.
5 groups of 10.
50.
6 groups of 10.
60.
7 groups of 10.
70.
8 groups of 10.
80.
9 groups of 10.
90.
10 groups of 10.
Mr. T'Challa,
Yes, SpongeBob?
the pattern changed.
Really? What happened?
Well, when I had 10, I just had to put a 1 here. Just the 1 block. And then 20, I put a 2 block, and it was just 1 block every time.
Yes, so what's the problem?
Well, 10, that's not 1 block, see? You need 2 blocks to make 10.
Excellent, SpongeBob. You are very insightful.
Is that a good thing?
Yes. So, now that we have a 3rd digit, we've made a completely new group.
But it looks like all the other groups.
Well, it might for the moment, but here. Let me add this top to it and see what you think.
Wow, it really is a whole nother group.
That's right, SpongeBob. It's a group of 100. We now have one group of 100 paint cans. So the 1 shows us how many groups, and because it's the 3rd numeral, that means it's a group of 100, not a group of 10 and not a group of 1.
Oh, wow, this is so amazing. Does this mean we're done counting?
No, SpongeBob, because look what else we can do. If I put down a new plate and then go get another group of 10, how many do we have now?
Okay, so we have a group of 100, so the 1 in the hundreds place needs to stay. And we used to have 0 extra groups of 10, but now Now we have one extra group of 10.
Very good, SpongeBob. So, what number does this give us?
110.
Perfect. Now, watch what happens when I get another group of 10. If I put it here, how many do we have now?
Oh, we don't have one group of 10 with our 100. Now we have... two groups of 10 with our 100.
Yes, SpongeBob. Which gives us how many total?
That gives us 120.
Good. I'm going to keep stacking the groups. You'll have to keep up.
Oh, I will, Mr. T'Challa, I promise.
And I moved our group of 100 back, so it's easier to see the group of 10s.
Oh, thank you.
Here's another 10, SpongeBob.
That means we have 130.
And another group of 10.
140.
And another.
150.
And another.
160.
And another.
Nah. 170.
And another.
Are you sure it's not another, Mr. T'Challa?
Yes, SpongeBob. I wouldn't be able to keep track of that many anothers.
So now we have 180.
And another.
190.
And another.
Oh, wait, Mr. T'Challa.
Yes, SpongeBob.
Now that we have a whole new group of 100, we need to put the top on, and that'll give me time to change these numbers.
Very good. I'll go get the top, and you change the numbers.
200.
Excellent, SpongeBob. Now, let's just make sure it makes sense. Do we have no 1 cans by themselves?
Nope. No can by itself. They're all in groups.
Very nice. And are any of them in groups of 10?
No, not right now. We have 0 groups of 10.
And do we really have 2 groups of 100?
Yes, we do, Mr. T'Challa. There's one here and one here.
Perfect. Let me move this back. And then we're going to count to 100 one more time.
'Cause then we'll be at 1,000?
No, then we'll go a shortcut.
This is already a shortcut, and you have a shortcut to the shortcut?
I sure do, SpongeBob. You just wait.
I'm so excited.
Here's our first group of 10.
Okay, but it's not really our first group. We've already had a bunch of groups. So, I'll change this 0 to a 1. 210.
Here's our next group of 10.
So I'll change this 1 to a 2. 220.
Keep going, SpongeBob.
230. 240. 250. 260. 270.
You're not getting too tired, are you, SpongeBob?
No, sir, not yet. 280. 290.
Last one for this group, SpongeBob.
Oh boy. Although that does mean I have extra work. I might be getting a little tired, Mr. T'Challa.
That's not a problem, SpongeBob. Remember, we're about to take our shortcut. What do we have now?
Okay. Now we have 300.
Very good, SpongeBob.